Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we'll talk about a fascinating subject: websites for online employment and passive income. You've come to the correct site if you've been looking for ways to earn money online with little effort. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable the notification bell before we begin so you won't miss any of our upcoming financial empowerment videos. Let's get going. Investing in dividend-paying companies and REITs is the focus of our first website dedicated to passive income. TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and Robinhood are just a few websites that give you the option to buy shares in a variety of businesses. These businesses provide dividends to their shareholders in the form of a part of the profits they make. It's an excellent method to profit from successful businesses while also generating passive income. Real estate crowdfunding platforms can help if you've ever wanted to invest in real estate without dealing with the headache of managing properties. You may make a minor investment in real estate developments thanks to websites like Fundrise and Realty Mogul. Without having to deal with tenant problems or property maintenance, you can make passive income through rental income and property appreciation. Are you trying to find a safe and easy approach to generate passive income? Online banks like Ally Bank and Marcus by Goldman Sachs provide high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates that enable your money to grow over time. It's a low-risk choice that can give you a reliable passive income from the interest on your money. Print-on-demand markets are the way to go if you love designing and have a creative side. You may upload your designs to websites like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring, and those companies handle the printing, shipping, and customer support. You receive passive money each time someone purchases a product with your design. It's an excellent method to transform your creativity into a profitable endeavor. Affiliate marketing is a well-liked strategy for making money online, and numerous websites provide affiliate programs. To start an affiliate marketing business, sign up for services like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Through your distinctive affiliate links, you will market goods or services, and when a customer uses your link to make a purchase, you will receive a commission. It's a great method to take use of your online presence and generate passive income. Do you possess knowledge in a certain area or a skill you'd like to impart to others? For designing and marketing courses, platforms like Udemy and Teachable are great. Once you've created your course, it will generate passive income as students sign up and pay for your knowledge. Peer-to-peer lending services are worthwhile investigating if you're interested in becoming a lender and lending money to people while making passive income. Prosper and Lending Club are two online marketplaces that make it easier to lend money to individuals or small businesses. You receive interest when borrowers pay back their debts, generating a consistent flow of passive revenue. All photographers and videographers, please. You have a great chance to generate passive revenue from your creative works by selling them on websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. You may earn royalties by adding your images and videos to these stock sites and having people download and use them. You can use it as a passive source of income to make money off of your artistic abilities. You now have access to a wide range of online income alternatives via websites that generate passive money. It's crucial to complete your study and pick the techniques that match your financial objectives and risk tolerance, just as with any other financial endeavor. Have you visited any of these websites for passive income? Or do you have any other go-to websites that allow you to make money while you sleep? Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and share it with your loved ones if they're also interested in learning about passive income options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about gaining financial independence and making money online.